Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Let's make fish stew. Let me share with you how I made this yummy fish stew, which you can use for your boiled rice or spaghetti or yam or potatoes or any side dish of yours, or even adding it in your soup, okra soup, yeah, especially. So let's get started. So here I've got some Titus or mackerel fish which I've cleaned and washed very well. I'll go ahead season this and grill, but you can also boil yours or just fry it. While the fish is grilling, I'll go ahead and prepare my tomatoes and peppers. Yeah, I've got some tomatoes and the different kinds of peppers. That is the tatache, shombo, and the scotch bonnet pepper. I like to boil my tomatoes and peppers before blending. So I'll go ahead and I'll cut this, clean it very well, and boil. After boiling the tomatoes for about 10 to 15 minutes, I'll put off the gas, let it cool down a bit, and then we'll blend it. I did not add water to this. Now that our ingredients are ready for the stew, let's make the stew. I'll start by adding some vegetable oil into my dry pot. Then go in with your sliced onions and fry. Sounds in harmony, kitchen tunes so heavenly. Most times I like to fry my onions with salt, so I'll go in with about a teaspoon of salt and continue to fry. Soft piano keys like simmering stew. Warmth in every melody flows through. After frying the onions for about 2 minutes, it is time to add in our tomato mix. This is the blended tomatoes and peppers. I'm not using tomato paste or tin tomatoes for this. So I'm just using the fresh tomatoes and the fresh peppers. That is the shombo and the tatashi and the scotch bonnet pepper. So I'll then stir this and they continue to fry. Rolling dough and stirring dreams, cooking life's most tender themes. Whispering flavors. Next, I'll spice and season the stew with some curry powder, thyme, ginger and garlic powder, and a seasoning cube. You can add any seasonings of your choice or spices of your choice or the ones that you have. Then stir in, cover and allow this to cook. In the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found. After cooking and frying this for about 10 to 15 minutes, I checked and stirred it around. Stew is doing great, looking so yummy already, but it's too thick for me, so I had to add little water to it. Then stirred again, tested it to see whether everything is okay. Yeah, at this point everything is okay, but just needed a little more salt. So I just added a little salt to it, cover and allow it to cook again for about 5 minutes before going in with the grilled fish. Steam rising like a piano sigh, golden crust, the soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each key a spice, cause your kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like... Our grilled fish is ready, so let's add it to the stew. I have a video of how I made this grilled fish in my channel, my YouTube channel, and also in my Facebook page. You can check that out. If you're still here with me, if you have watched up to this point, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. I'm adding the heads of the fish to this too because they are the first thing I'm going to eat right after making this video. So don't worry, it's not going to break in this tea. I'll be careful when stirring it. Oh my god. So after adding the fish, I will stir it just carefully very carefully, cover the pot, allow this to cook and fry again so that the stew can enter into the fish and the fish into the stew. After about 5 minutes, our stew is ready. A recipe for peace in every. I'll stir it carefully again before putting off the gas. Sound where love for food is truly. I love fish stew paired with boiled rice and beans, and that is what I'm going to be having with this my fish stew. What will you be having yours with? Do you also want the rice and beans? You come over. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Tomorrow is Sunday. Maybe you can make this for yourself and your family. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.